Hey guys, I'm gonna show you how to replace this 12 volt cigar jack. This cover is broken and missing, so both selling the together is one piece part. So now first you need a special tool like this. You know, inside it it's so dark, so I showed this one, and one retainer tabs right here, another retainer tabs is other side. So you press down the same time and then pull it away, pull it up. So Ford has this similar this tool, and I made this myself. It's grind matter and almost similar. This tool goes down to the one side tab like here, and the other side align this tool and then push away retainer and then pull it away like this. So now move away the tool and then disconnect the electrical connector, and then pops out to this plastic lid and then change it. Now install the new cigar jack. It's upgraded. This cigar jack lid is rubber. This old one is plastic, so broken easily. So first install the rubber lid, and then connect to this one. Goes down. It's so hard to just using my one hand, and then line up. Where is the line there? This side. Okay. Push down. Okay. Woohoo! Done.